I'm no stranger to financial struggles or job hunting. As a young mom who was single in her 20s without a college degree, I pretty much took any job I could just to pay the bills. However, when I remarried at 30 and my income became more stable, the most common reason for my job hopping was because I was looking for a way to make money that was more than just a job. I was searching for a career that resonated with me, lit me up, and allowed me a flexible lifestyle. It was when I started looking outside of myself and focused on how I could be at service of others that I found a career that really lined up with my goals and values. You will receive abundance for your giving. The more you give, the more you will have. Sometimes we need to look back in order to find our path forward. While I was on my quest to find my ideal career, I decided to reach back, looking at past experiences that I had had of jobs that really lit me up, filled me with joy and passion. One was teaching yoga and meditation, which I did for decades. It brought me so much delight to teach others a skill that would improve their lives for years to come. It warmed my heart to see the transformation in my students, whether it was a lighter mood after a meditation or feeling more at ease in their body with less discomfort after practicing yoga for a while. When I was at service for others, I felt fulfilled. Whether I was guiding a meditation or teaching yoga, I felt that I had found my purpose. But in 2013, my yoga instructor days came to an end when we decided to travel in an RV around the United States. We were financially able to do this because my husband created his own recruiting firm, which was location independent. The only things he needs to run his business are a computer, a phone, and the internet. Living full-time in an RV was our first experience with extreme minimalism and frugality. The lessons I learned in how to live with less shaped my outlook on consumerism. Those 2 years broke my preconceived idea of what I thought I needed to live comfortably. It was amazing when I realized I didn't need a house filled with things to enjoy life. There is a direct correlation between how much money you need based on how much money you spend. As we began to live a frugal lifestyle and a minimalist lifestyle, we actually had far more money that we could save and invest because we were not spending as much money. During the 2 years of RV living, my time was occupied with homeschooling our daughter. Homeschooling was a tremendous opportunity to form a deep bond between us. They are some of my favorite memories, but I missed making an impact on others' lives. Wealth isn't about having a lot of money. It's about having a lot of options. Wealth means different things to different people, so depending on who you ask, you will receive various answers. I feel wealthiest when I'm at service of others. When choosing a new career in my 40s, I let my values guide me, not the potential dollar amount that I could earn. I tuned into my natural gifts, focusing on the avenues that made me feel as though I was contributing positivity into the world. My strength is listening, supporting, and giving positive inspiration to others. So a life coach seemed like the perfect fit for me. This way, I can impact others' lives in a positive, supportive way. I took an online life coaching course and incorporated my years of mindfulness training as a yoga and meditation instructor. All of my work is done online, allowing me freedom of being location independent. I have the flexibility to create my own schedule and work from any place. When one-on-one coaching started to conflict with my schedule, I changed the format to small groups online, which anyone can sign up for on my website, connieriet.com, and I will leave a link for that in the description below. In addition to life coaching, I started this YouTube channel where I can share mindful living tips with all of you. I'm also on other platforms like Aura and soon Spotify. My income varies month to month, but by living below my means, I have savings to draw on during those leaner months. I may not fall under the traditional idea of rich, but I'm extremely wealthy in personal fulfillment, love, and freedom to live the way I want. I feel incredibly fortunate to be able to make a living by being a support to others and impacting other people's lives. Whether I'm sharing tips on how to simplify life, live mindfully, or leading a guided meditation, I always try to follow my heart, to be true to myself, and to be at service of others. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate all of your support. Have a beautiful day, my friends.